What if buying life insurance was as easy as having a conversation? SimuLife transforms the entire insurance lifecycle using AI agents. From initial customer inquiry to claims processing, everything is handled conversationally. The architecture involves 5 specialized LangGraph agents working together. The customer service agent orchestrates between marketing, underwriting, policy management, and claims agents. Users can speak naturally, just like calling a real human. And here is the revolutionary part: no cluttered interfaces. SimuLife dynamically renders exactly what's needed on the canvas. Code cards, payment forms, policy documents, they appear precisely when they are relevant. Now I will show you how Kiro was used to create this project from scratch. First, I divided the project into multiple epics, and for each epic, I created a spec in Kiro. Every major feature such as agent implementation, payment integration, voice integration, and so on, they had their own spec in Kiro. For working on each spec, Kiro first created a requirements document from my high-level description. After I reviewed the requirements document, it created a detailed design document for implementing that spec. And after reviewing this, it created a detailed implementation plan with a list of tasks to be completed. After that, Kiro autonomously executed all of these tasks in sequence. There was no back and forth prompting needed. This process mirrors the real agile software development, but with the efficiency powered by LLMs. And here is what kept the AI on track: the steering documents. These documents contain architecture decisions, coding standards, TypeScript patterns, and project structure. Every spec references these documents, ensuring consistent code quality across the entire application. With the steering documents, my 15th spec would perfectly match the patterns that were established in the first spec. The next piece is agent hooks. I configured 2 hooks. The first one automatically updates the steering documents after each spec is complete. This will ensure the documentation is always up to date. The next hook runs before committing changes to the Git repo. It scans all the files to ensure no security credentials or any sensitive data is exposed in the source code. And Kiro has built-in support for MCP servers. I configured 3 MCP servers: the Fetch MCP server for searching the web, Context 7 for automatically retrieving library documentation, and sequential thinking to enforce logical reasoning in complex workflows. Kiro provides access to the cloud models, which are state-of-the-art models for agentic coding. Using spec-driven development in Kiro, I was able to build in weeks, which would traditionally take months. With the combined power of specs, steering documents, hooks, and MCP servers in Kiro, software development can be reimagined. Thank you.